Let me see if I can keep up.
Thank you very much.
Hey, mister, you familiar with the rules of this? They going by track rules or grudge rules?
Track rules.
Track rules.
Okay. All right, drivers, here we go. Watch the lights.
Oh, damn. No full pass. Man, these little things can fuck some shit up at Yello Belly. Yeah, man, it's going down. Where you from, mister?
Spring Hill, Florida.
Spring Hill, Florida. Okay, we got Florida back in the building, y'all.
Florida with us.
Okay.
Disney.
I'm gonna remember
You
them.
see the flashy light? You're just a little too deep. There we go.
Hey.
All right, watch them.
Ooh. Man, I need a good, I'm gonna give me a good angle, y'all. Some of them running.
We do have the time slips up here, guys.
Some people, man, they got
Split
the
them up
time
amongst
slip
yourselves.
too. Hey, y'all. Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to Funky Town?
Last time I got done with him there, because I bought each.
Morasco, he's going to run a single real quick.
Ooh wee. Man, I've been getting the hiccups, y'all. What the hell that mean? Got Summit. All the baddest parts in there.
Okay, Ding, you're going to run a single. Or anybody.
I think it's better.
Three, so we just don't want y'all to run together. So you can run a single or. All right.
Dang,
Let's
man,
run
I'm
this
tired of these hiccups,
full
man.
tree.
Yeah, this ain't some of them. All the
Part of our Young Gunners bracket out of Florida. Michaela Morasco.
Let's see it.
Currently running the championship point season there. Driver, watch the lights. Full tree.
She made a full pass.
How level track is
She
with
got a
that pull. Nice pull, Morasco. We do not call out times during test and tune. However, we will be calling out times throughout elimination.
Doing a
Chip
little
draw
burnout.
For all positioning, drag track will assign a lane based on your chip draw pull.
Oh, snap. Appreciate the follow on the new people that came
Sorry about
in.
that. Instant green, drivers. Watch the lights.
Okay. Ooh, left lane
Nice,
running.
solid pull.
Oh, yeah, I like
Safely stop. A little style points
Left
on the
lane
big
got
end.
some. Good job, left lane. I see. Team Oklahoma making full passes, y'all. Y'all keep that in mind. I'll probably start betting in a minute.
What's that?
This side.
See, y'all can drive those cars out, he said. There's an opening up there. You guys can drive the cars off the track. I believe that's what he said. There you go. Check it out. Safety Safari up there. They're saying owner of the, there you go. There we go. All right, we're just trying to make it more efficient.
What
for
side
everyone.
y'all got,
Thank you,
man?
Duncan. Drivers.
Twist it so you
watch
got the
lights.
predictions on. Ah. You hit the wall, you lose.
Right lane goes A to B. Nice pull. Remember, folks, no burning out in front of that mat. Do not want to get DQ'd. We have some rubber mats out here for you, plenty of concrete.
Alrighty, guys, coming up next, we have the Corvette in the left lane.
All right, white Corvette owner, just make yourself known. He's holding it on the big end of the track.
His wheels are already crooked.
Just hold that, guys.
Hey, yo,
Just
yeah,
kinda-
straighten him up. There you go. It still look like he gonna pull to the left a little bit. Man, your wheels turning left a little bit. Yep. All right. Yeah, that's it right there. Hey,
This
them
is still
wheels
instant
turning
green.
again. Yeah, keep them.
Drivers, watch the lights.
I bet he finna pull to the left. Oh, he all in the lane. Man, why these hiccups here, man? Both electric. Nah, I think it's on the electric, man. I don't think them gas cars can mess with this electric. Dang, man.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was hicking up so much. And my jaw started hurting. God
There you
damn.
go, guys. Remember, it's still instant green unless you ask otherwise. Drivers, watch the. Whoop, you're too deep. Back that car up a little bit.
You deep staging.
All right. Drivers, watch the lights.
Damn.
Just chase me now. Folks, don't forget, visit Summit Racing Equipment while you're here this weekend. Also, there are plenty of the Summit
Thunder stick.
RC cars available inside for purchase.
I see at Yello
They'll be
Belly.
open till 8 o'clock tonight. Also, the
I don't know
courtesy
nothing
of
going on
Summit,
in
you use their
XRP.
restrooms inside while you're in there. Stop in and patronize. Drivers, instant green. Watch the light.
Okay.
Nice pull. All right, we also got plenty of Summit
They
hoodies.
getting it.
Inside, we have the special edition Texas Summit t-shirts as well. Inside
Where y'all
the
at?
merchandise store. While you're in there, check out the RCDRL mural. Drivers, watch the lights.
Damn.